Let's speak about the basic definitions. So, Young diagrams and Young tableaus. A Young diagram is an arrangement of boxes in rows and columns. And the arrangement is left, the boxes are left justified. And the number of boxes in each row does not increase when we go from top to bottom. So this is a perfectly nice example of a Young diagram. We can turn this Young diagram into a Young tableau by filling it with numbers. So this is a Young tableau now, and there are a couple of rules. When we write in the numbers have to be increasing along columns. So like this one, 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 2, 3, 5, 2, 4, 8. So they have to be increasing in columns, and they must not decrease in rows. We can also say they are weakly increasing in rows. So 1, 2, 2, 5 is fine in a row, but not in a column. In a column they have to be strictly increasing.